Now, second step, once you have the grinding size correct, you will increase or decrease your quantity of coffee. In order to do that, you press and hold the menu button until it starts to blink. Once it's blinking, you select which program to change, either the double shot or the single shot. In this case, we are changing the double shot, and then you go up to increase the quantity, or down to decrease the quantity, until you reach 23 grams. Every 2 changes gives you approximately 1 gram of coffee. Once you reach the desired amount, you press and hold menu button again so new settings will be recorded.